Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. Yesterday we completed our lesson of the adventures of Gulliver. How did Gulliver went and visited many places? The one visit which we studied is of Lilliput. How he went at Lilliput and visited the people and king of Lilliput and how he enjoyed over there. Correct or not? As he saved his life, he went and met many people at Lilliput. Now here it is told in lesson number 14, a lesson for all, there is a stage. Correct or not? There is a stage performance done by some characters. There are two types of characters. Which are those? There are some human characters and there are some animal characters in this play. Now human beings are only going to do acting of what? Animal characters. So first I will just introduce you characters of this. I will just introduce you the characters of the play. Now here are characters, humans. ह्युमन्स म्हणजे काय? ह्युमन बिंग्स. ओके, आता माणसांमध्ये कोणते कॅरेक्टर्स आहे? न्यूजपेपर बॉय. नाउ दीज ऑल पीपल आर देर 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 म्हणजे 6 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 total 18 characters are there in play. One act play, you might have seen one act play, correct or not? In that one act play there are total how many? 15 to 16 characters are there and they are going to perform in the play. Now first one is what? Newspaper boy. कौन है? Newspaper boy, milkman, hawker, school bus driver, Dr. Sawant, Mrs. Patel a housewife, Mr. Desai a businessman, mayor of the town, Mrs. Joshi a housewife, Nidhi and Madhu Mrs. Joshi's daughter, school going girls, rabbit, deer, peacock, squirrel, bear, birds and tortoise. These all characters are there in the play. Play म्हणजे काय? स्टेजवरती परफॉर्म केलेला ॲक्ट, नाटक. ओके, इन मराठी इट इज कॉल्ड नाटिका. So in same way play, and in English it is called skit, one act play. Okay, in one act play many characters come together and they have a they play different characters, correct, or role of different characters. Now I will start with the lesson. A city street early in the morning. Now they are going to show, these all characters are going to show what? They are going to show city street. City street म्हणजे काय? सिटी मधला जो रोड असतो आणि सगळ्या साईडनी घरं असतात, मेन रोड, आणि त्या रोडच्या कडानी जी घरं असतात दॅट इज सिटी स्ट्रीट. ओके, अँड देन व्हॉट इज कंडिशन ऑफ दॅट रोड where people are living in the city, that about that stage is made. ओके, स्टेजवरती असं दाखवलेलं आहे की रोड आहे, एका साईडला घरं आहेत, घरांमध्ये वेगवेगळे माणसं राहतात. ओके, सो दे हॅव मेड व्हॉट वी कॉल स्टेज इन सच अ वे दॅट इट लुक्स लाईक अ सिटी स्ट्रीट. द स्ट्रीट इज लिटर्ड विथ प्लास्टिक बॅग्स. लिटर्ड मीन्स व्हॉट? पडलेले इकडे तिकडे. ओके, नो व्हॉट थिंग्स आर लिटरिंग ओवर देअर ऑन द स्ट्रीट? स्ट्रीट मीन्स व्हॉट? रोड. The street is littered with plastic bags, cartons. Okay, cartons means what? Cartons means boxes. CARTONS. Cartons means what? A box for storing things. For storing goods is called what? Carton. Are you understanding? There is a box where we can put rubbish things or wrappers, you can say. That boxes are also lying in the lying on the street. Tins. Tins means what? There are Pepsi tins, Coca-Cola tins, correct or not? Tins are lying here and there. Cans are lying here and there. Broken glass. अशा काचीच्या काही बाटल्या असतात त्या फुटलेल्या पडलेल्या रोडवरती. Old tires. You might be knowing old tires which are not of any use, those tires are on the road. Waste paper balls. Students, they make paper, many things from paper. They make kites, they make different things from paper, and those paper, what they do, they make ball of it and throw it from the house. Bags and other garbage. Plastic bags are fallen on the road. Garbage means what? Waste material. What is meaning of word garbage? GARBAGE means what? Waste material. There are many things which are waste material, and this all, the scene is made in such a way that there is a road प्लास्टिक बॅग्स आर फॉलोन. मग काय केलेलं आहे, हे सगळ्या लोकांनी, ह्युमन कॅरेक्टर्सनी काय तयार केलं, एक रोड तयार केला स्टेजवरती आणि त्याच्यावरती दाखवलं प्लास्टिक बॅग्स पडलेल्या आहेत एका साईडला फुटलेल्या बॉटल पडलेल्या आहेत. देन व्हॉट वी कॉल देर आर सम कार्टून्स फॉलोन ओवर देअर, टीन्स फॉलोन, सगळं गार्बेज असं रोडवरती टाकलं. असं सीन त्यांनी स्टेजवरती तयार केला. मग आता त्यांना काय मेसेज द्यायचा आहे याच्यातून हे आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. ओके, हिअर इट इज टोल्ड दॅट मिस्टर देसाई. नाव फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टर, where is Mr. Desai? This is Mr. Desai. Now there is a entry of Mr. Desai. Mr. Desai stage वरती येतं. Looking out into the distance, why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? It's 9 o'clock. Almost time to leave for my office. Looks out again. Let me ask the Patels if they had received their copy. Goes into the wings and returns with Mrs. Patel. Now goes into the wings. Wings means what? If this is a stage, correct? If this is a stage, what happens here? Wings are there on the stage. पडदा असतो बघा, स्टेजवरती पडदा असतो. So what happens? Mr. Desai comes inside the stage, in the middle of the stage, and he looks here and there and says that, why newspaper boy hasn't come till now? It's time to go to office and I'm late. I want to read newspaper. Let me go and ask Mrs. Patels. So what happens? Mr. Desai goes out in the wings. Wings means what? Curtains. Goes out into the wings. Again he comes inside the stage or comes on the stage with Mrs. Patel. Now two of them comes, Mr. Desai and Mrs. Patel. Now what does Mrs. Patel says? No, Mr. Desai, the newspaper boy hasn't delivered the papers as yet, nor has our milkman turned up. Mr. Patel is so grumpy. Grumpy means what? Complaining. Grumpy. Grumpy means what? Complaining. Mrs. Patel is saying that, do you know, Mr. Desai, my husband Mr. Patel is so grumpy, means he always complains that newspaper boy doesn't come on time, milkman doesn't come on the time, he complains all the time. Mr. Patel is so grumpy, he is waiting for his morning cup of tea. Now many people, they like to read newspaper with a cup of tea. Now in cities, many people, what they do, they drink milk or they drink coffee or they drink tea in the morning. Along with that tea, coffee, milk, what do? They read newspaper. So newspaper is most required in the cities. Then what Mr. Desai gives reply to Mrs. Patel? Mr. Desai, very strange, and look, the street is simply shocking. Just look outside, Mrs. Patel. The street is horrible, it is shocking. Just you see what all things are lying on the street. How can newspaper man come? How can milkman come and deliver newspaper? कसे येणार ते? रोडवरती एवढा कचरा आहे, फुटलेल्या बाटल्या आहेत, आणि ते कसे येणार आपल्याला पेपर द्यायला किंवा दूध देण्यासाठी? Then what does Mrs. Patel says? Mrs. Patel, my word, what is this? Where did all this litter and garbage come from? She's telling that, it is really shocking, sir. Mr. Desai, really it is shocking. I want to also say you same thing. Where does these all things come from? Why do people do not throw garbage, waste material in the dustbin? Why do plastic bags, tins, water bottles, they lie on the street? Why do human beings don't have habit of throwing it into the dustbin? Only because of laziness these all things happen. We see garbage only because of laziness of human beings. If they will be conscious of keeping their surrounding clean, they will not throw garbage here and there. So now Mrs. Joshi enters over there. Okay, enter Mrs. Joshi with her daughter. Now Mrs. Joshi comes over there. Mr. Desai, I returned rather late from the office last night and the street was bare then. How did all this rubbish gather here overnight? Mr. Desai is saying that yesterday night only when I came at home after office, I saw that there was nothing on the road. Now, from where all these things, or from where all this rubbish has come on the garbage, on the road. Suddenly, Madhu falls and injures her foot, gives out a cry of pain. Now, Mrs. Joshi and her daughter comes over there, correct? And when they are walking, at that time only, what happens? Her daughter falls down. Her name is Madhu, and then she cuts her leg. तिचं काय होतं, काचीच्या बाटलीने तिचा पाय कट होतो. Okay, this much lesson I have explained you today. Remaining part of the lesson, remaining story, I will explain you in tomorrow's period. Okay, I think this much you have understood. Not tomorrow, Thursday's period, next week's period. Okay, we will complete lesson in next week. Remaining part of the lesson we will study in next week's periods. Okay, thank you.